It's me, Trang. Welcome back to my channel. And it's such a hot day today. And I just woke up and I just finished my first Fairy Tale Friday. I can't wait for you guys to see it on Friday. I am making a modern Princess Jasmine outfit. It will be super fun. But today I was thinking also of using using what's left of my fabric here and making a super cute top that I saw on Urban Outfitters the other day. And it's a tie back top and it has no zippers, and I really think that I can be sustainable and use everything that's left here to make the shirt. So please follow along with me on this journey. So first I'm going to cut my shirt. I'm going to lay my fabric on the table right here. I'm going to take a shirt that fits me well. So I'm going to keep the length of the shirt like the length of this piece of fabric, but I'm going to cut the width of the shirt. And this tie back top is tricky because it has a front, but it also has a back. But the back is a little bit weird because there's only half of it there and the rest is just the tie. So I'm going to make the width of the shirt 1.5 times the width of a normal shirt that fits me. So I'm going to take that shirt, I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to measure half of the shirt like so and just cut where that half is. The piece of fabric is 1.5 times the actual width of a shirt that fits me. Next, I want to make it all even. And I'm going to cut a curve like so. And then when I get my tie, I'm going to attach it here. So the hole will show where my back is. I'll use the curves that I just cut out as my ties. Next, I'll cut 2 slits here for my arms. With what's left of the fabric, I'm going to fold it in half and then make a back piece so that the shirt actually has something to connect to here and to make it more supported. And I think that's it for the cutting. So first I'm going to tie my ties right at the bottom of my shirt. Now that I have the back in, I am going to hem everything. And hemming just means that you are pulling everywhere that there isn't an end to the fabric, and you're going to make a stiff end by pulling the fabric 1 centimeter or 1 inch over and sewing where the fabric overlaps. And I'm going to do that for the top and the bottoms and the sides.